Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday and welcome to my weekly Friday freebie session, and also welcome and join me my Christmas series, hence why the Christmas hat. So before we get along with today's Friday freebie, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that recently joined the channel. The channel is growing so much, and that is thanks to you guys that keep watching my videos, put a comment, like and subscribe, etc. Thank you for the bottom of my heart. Today Friday freebie is a very special one. Is one of my favorite pages that I have ever designed. It's a part of the junk journal sort of kit because you've got some embellishment. And before we crack on with the video, just want to ask a question as part of the Christmas jokes. What does the gingerbread man put on his bed? So what he put on his bed. 3, 2, 1. A cookie sheet. Okay guys, so very quickly, I don't want to make this video unnecessarily long. Before I show you the Friday freebie, I just want to shout out this lovely gift box. It's a tin box made by me, by the lovely Tracy. Tracy's got a mixed media channel. I will link Tracy's channel down below. She is a wonderful mixed media artist, and she gifted me this box a couple of years ago, and I love it. I get it out every Christmas because I absolutely love it. The attention to detail is just amazing. I don't really put anything inside because I just love to look at it. Love it, love it, love it. It's quite big, so if you think that's the size of my hand, so it's a very big box. Yeah, so thinking about you, Tracy. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. So today, Friday freebie, I'm going to gifting you one of the very popular bubbly butterflies accessories kit. It's a kit that's been designed to go with the bubbly butterfly background. This kit is for junk journal specifically, only because you've got some tabs, you've got some stamps, you've got some letters and envelopes, you've got some pockets. You've got some floral embellishment. I think you get 3 pages of this. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, you do get 3. 4. Yeah, sorry, 4 pages. Is that 4 pages? Is that part of the kit? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 pages. One of the tags, which I have gifted to you on a previous Friday freebie. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. And then you've got others with some tabs. Oh, there is a pillow box on this kit and some butterflies embellishment. It's a huge pillow box. So today I am gifting you these. It's a page, and I'm going to show you in just a second what the envelopes look like. It's 3 envelopes in 1 page. They not necessarily have for Christmas because they don't shout Christmas. It's all floral and butterflies, so they're great for all year round. But I think if you have I don't know about you guys, but I have every year Christmas I follow like a theme when I do my wrapping. So this year is going to be floral with this burgundy and green. Not sure about the turquoise. I'm not a fan of these, but this year is going to be very rich with this burgundy, green, and maybe do some navy, because I do like the contrast with navy and burgundy. So I'm going to show you in just a second what the envelopes look like when they fussy cut out. Okay, so that's what the envelopes looks like. Love them. So that's one. Very busy, very shocking like me. Love it. So that's the back. It's huge. That's the front. And then the 2 small ones. So as you can see, guys, what I did play with some cream and blue, because that's the colours that sat on the background. And then the other one has got some green and burgundy. Teeny tiny. Well, teeny tiny. Where is my Baby Shark rule? It's the ruler. So that is 3, just smaller than 3 by 2, and this is 4.5 by 3. So they're actually quite big. They're not teeny tiny. Before we go, guys, I want to shout out to the lovely Laura. She sent me a lovely comment on YouTube, and I will put on the screen. She recently bought my printing pin kit, and she loved it. And the comment is so sweet and kind. And always when I read these comments, I always get a big, chunky, massive smile on my face. And that is the reason why I love doing what I do, because the feedback from you guys is always incredible. So thank you so much to Laura and to all of you guys that keep purchasing my kit and show me love and support. How do you get the freebie? The usual 3 ways. 1, you subscribe to my newsletter. If you subscribe today, the newsletter is gone out at 9 p.m. British time, so you won't get it. But if you subscribe today, you will get next week and the week after and so on. So you don't have to worry about it. Join my Facebook group and see on files. You see all the previous freebies I have shared. Or send me an email to the email address, which is linked in the info box, and I will automatically subscribe to the newsletter and also send you my full catalogue of freebies. Okay, I hope you like these envelopes. They're super cute. And you also, guys, you can use this as a template for your own envelope if you wanted to. If you like this video, please give me a butterflies thumbs up. It's basically a thumbs up and then you got some wings like that. If you don't mind, just put a literally big thumbs up. I've just asked you to do that, didn't I? Sorry. Guys, have a wonderful weekend, and then until next Monday, stay safe and well.